What the fuck? Goofy ass bitch.
Let's go.